How to change button color styles in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the buttons color styles into your Squarespace website. So we're going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and we are going to visit our account dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to select the website that we want to do the process with and click on go to website. Now, what we're going to do next is to wait for the website dashboard to load up, just like that. We're going to head over the website, and from here, we're going to click on styles. For the styles, you're going to find that we have the themes, fonts, colors, and buttons. So we can go ahead and click on the buttons like this, and it is going to show you the buttons that we have. These are going to be representing the button styles. And as you know, for the buttons on Squarespace, we have three types. We have the primary, we have the secondary, and we have the tertiary. So this is an image, or as you can see, showcase for each one of the types. Primary, secondary, tertiary. So these buttons are going to be dependent or working as dependent of the situation that they are in. So if I am going to choose a button style, I can go ahead and preview all three right there by just hovering the mouse above them. So if I like a style, I can go ahead and click on it. But if I do not like a style, I can go ahead and click on customize. So for the customization, you can see all the button packs in here, and you're going to choose a button by button. As you can see, here we have a button that contain a specific outline. Here we have a thick button, let's say rectangle one, a button, or let's say a frameless button, and etc. So from these buttons, you can go ahead and change, and also you can go ahead and set up the type of button independently from here. So you can go ahead and click on all the buttons or select the button itself, and then you can go ahead and change it. So we can see that we're going to have the button and we can modify it. For example, I think that this is the primary one. We can go ahead and select this, click that, click this, or click that, and it is going to change the live version of the button. So if I would like to change something else about the button, for example, if I click on the, let's say here, the primary one, I can go ahead and modify the font that I have on it. For example, for the style, for the weight, the TT, or as you can see here, not the TT, but basically the text on it, and also the alignment or the thickness of the lines that has been added. Aside from that, you can go ahead and set up the shape. As you can see, we have a fill and no fill shapes. We have the outlines, we have the paddings, and etc. So this is it. Now, moving on to something else, which is going to be the secondary one. You can have here the same exact, as you can see here, parameters, and the tertiary also is going to be something like that. Now, how we can add a button or change a color for it? Basically, you can go ahead and click on colors and click on customize. From the color palettes that you have chosen on this page, you can go ahead and click on add, or not add, but modify, and you can search from here buttons. So you can see that we have titles. You can search for buttons like that. Primary button background, so you can go ahead and click on custom, make it red like that, or make it the pink, purplish, and etc. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.